So here we have the BMW X1 on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with the 3 individually folding rear seats, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see that it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge, and on the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre at the bottom, you can see the trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 79,499. You can change the information displayed above that by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have cruise control and speed limiter over on the left-hand side, stereo and phone controls, the plus and minus pedal so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox, should you wish to do so. Over into the centre next, we have the main touchscreen for the car, so you can access all of your options on here. You can either swipe through or use the arrows to navigate your way through this screen. You can also reorder everything on there should you wish to change that yourself, and you can also, as you can see, make movement using this dial just here. This is the iDrive system, so these buttons will access the menus directly, or this dial will do virtually everything. It's far easier to use this, particularly while the vehicle is in motion. So for example, if you want to access satellite navigation, rotate the dial to navigation, push it down. But then in that menu, you can push it down again and you can see your full color map there. You can come back out to the home screen. When it comes to music in this car, we have USB input, Bluetooth audio, CD player, and then AM, FM, and DAB radio, as you can see. You can pair your phone under the communication heading just here. This car's got a visual guide to the parking sensors, which you can see being displayed on screen now. Working our way down, we have the main volume, the CD player, and then the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed, you can change the direction the air is being distributed in, should you wish to do that. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again, or you can hit auto. The car will now take control of the direction of the air and fan speed to maintain those temperatures, which you can hear it doing. Press auto again, and you go back to whatever setting you had that on previously. We have 2 cup holders underneath there. You can close this over should you wish to, a 12-volt charging socket, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.